Get the Lost Superfoods, plus the 2 bonuses for a one-time payment of just $27.
But the only way to get it is to click on the big button below this video. Like I told you before, my greatest reward is to see as many Americans as possible add these survival foods to their pantries before it's too late, before the next crisis empties our stores and our Walmart food spoils in broken refrigerators, before we starve and have to see our loved ones suffer. And I am so convinced that this book will change your life that I am also willing to extend to you our honor guarantee. I learned long ago that a man is only as good as his word. And because I always put my money where my mouth is, I'm willing to shoulder the risk on this one for you. So click on the button below. Go through the Lost Superfoods at your own pace. And when you're done, you have to be 100% thrilled and happy with this deal. If for any reason at all you feel this book did not deliver, or you want to get your money back, you will get it within 24 hours from the moment you send my team the request. You don't even have to answer any questions. Simply send a quick email in the next 60 days and ask for a refund. That's right. You have 2 months to test drive the Lost Superfoods and enjoy the 2 bonuses that come with it. This is my personal honor guarantee to you. So is it a deal? I hope so. Now I've done my part. The rest is totally up to you. The way I see it, you have 3 options here. First, you could choose to disregard everything I've told you and blindly trust that America will not face a crisis and that food will always be plentiful, no matter what. But even smaller emergencies, like hurricanes and tornadoes or blizzards, show that is a false assumption. Food is always hoarded as people panic. And unless you want to fight tooth and nail for the last can on the shelf with someone twice your size, you need a better way. You could also try to get all these lost recipes on your own. Trust me, it's a gargantuan task. We were only able to accomplish it because of our dedicated team. And it still took years to track down the few old-timers who still remembered how to cook these extremely powerful survival superfoods. So if you've got thousands of dollars and months of free time to spare, you can try to do it yourself. But the best way, I think, is to take advantage of this unique offer I'm putting in front of you today. We've done the work, so you don't have to. All the survival foods your family will ever need to stay well-fed and healthy during the worst of times are inside the Lost Superfoods. These are the foods that saved countless lives during famines and food shortages, and they'll do the same for you and yours should the time come. It could be tomorrow, or it could be 5 years from now. We never know when a crippling crisis is going to hit until it's too late. Of course, in a crisis, you'll eat anything sooner or later. But why not eat something that not only fills your belly, but also lifts your spirits? So there you have it. Stay well-fed and prosper like Fat Boris and others like him by taking advantage of the ingenuity and resourcefulness of countless generations that have come face to face with starvation and widespread food shortages and lived to tell the tale. I've saved every superfood that saved them for you inside the Lost Superfoods. All you need to do is click the Add to Cart button and start building the most inexpensive yet highly nutritious and long-lasting food stockpile you could ever imagine. I believe there are only a few moments in life that can change it for many, many years to come. This may be one such moment for you and your family. Although when food is still available, you might not realize it. I really hope you'll make the right choice here and add the most powerful survival foods in history to your bookshelf today and in your pantry tomorrow. There's never been a better time in our history to do it. God bless you and your family. From your friend, my name's Art Rude.